All right, the opposition has now responded to the Prime Minister's speech in Rajya Sabha. The news just coming in. You have Leader of Opposition Rajya Sabha, Mr. Kharge, who along with his MPs in Rajya Sabha had staged a walkout. You also have Jairam Ramesh, Rajya Sabha MP, tweeting out, as always, the speech was packed with abuses, attacks, distortion of facts, theatrics, gestures and derogatory remarks. It even included his usual brazen and lies. His narcissism and his obsession with delivering punchy one-liners was glaringly evident throughout the entire speech, is what Jairam Ramesh has tweeted out, and also what Mr. Kharge, the Leader of Opposition in Rajya Sabha's comeback to the Prime Minister's speech in Rajya Sabha. Mind you, opposition MPs had staged a walkout saying that they were not allowed to speak in Parliament.
जितने भी रूल्स और रेगुलेशंस है उसी के तहत हम बात कर रहे थे। हम कोई हंगामा नहीं कर रहे थे या हम जाके उनको डिस्टर्ब भी नहीं कर रहे थे, लेकिन उन्होंने ये ठान लिया है दोनों अपोजिशन लीडर को बात करने नहीं देना, लोकसभा में भी और राज्यसभा में भी। ये लोग हमारे पार्टी को और हमारे नेताओं को अपमान करने का काम करते हैं, इसलिए हम कंडम किए हैं, हमको बात भी करने नहीं दिए। इसीलिए सारे पार्टी के नेता लोग ये तय किए कि अगर वो बात करने नहीं देते तो हम लोग वॉकआउट करना चाहिए, प्रोटेस्ट करना चाहिए।
We wanted to listen to the Prime Minister. We were all present there. But the leader of the opposition wanted to make a point. But the Prime Minister didn't yield, nor the chairman allowed so. We have been pleading with the government, please allow the LOP of Lok Sabha to complete his speech. So first time that the leader of the opposition is not allowed to make his points. So since the Prime Minister nor the chairman allowed the leader of the opposition, we were forced to walk out of the house.